In this video, we will show you how to generate slides using AI. In here, I'm using Google Slide to make the slides. First, to make the slides using AI, you need to open slides.ai.io. You can see this is the URL. Then you can click Install Slides AI for Google Slides. In here, you need to click Install this button. In here, you need to allow the application to integrate on your Google Slides account. You must log in into your Google Slides account in here. After you are logged in, you can click Install here. Just click Continue. Just make sure to click your account and please click Allow in here. Now you are done to install the Slides AI extension on your Google Slides. Just open your Google Slides and click Go to Slides. Click blank in here and please try to click extension. I will close this. Click extension and you will find the slideSAI.io. Okay, and you can click generate slides. For the first time use, you will see these questions. Just select the suite with you. For example, I just click others and just click friend or colleagues, for example, and I will skip this step. And in here you can see there, this is the text what we need to creating the slide with Google Slides. Okay, at least 350 characters for better results. Okay, and this is for presentation type. Okay, for example, I choose educational and number of slides that makes 10 in here, and this is from a topic. For example, create a presentation about presentation about YouTube SEO, for example. Okay, number of slide is 8 and I choose image in here, and this is just additional information. I don't want to fill this. Click create slides here and waiting for a few seconds, or in here you need to waiting for a minute. It's depend on your internet connection also. Just be patient. This is almost done. Okay, after done, it will close the pop-up automatically in here, and we can close this, and you can see there, this is the presentation automatically created by slideSAI.io. And if you don't like the theme, you can also change the theme, and when generating the slides, you can click generate slides. First, you can also select the themes here. So if you don't like the themes looks like, you can see there, you can select these options, or you can custom your slides. Okay, for example, in here, to edit this menu, or to edit this option, because this is based on our theme, we can just click view here and theme builder, and as you can see, with this you can edit the text on this theme. And let's see, presentation about YouTube SEO. Okay, how optimize your video for better visibility and engagement on the platform. For example, we need a image in these slides. we can just click insert and we can insert the shapes, and I will using for example this shape. And after we add the shapes, we can just using the extension and using slides.ai again and click magic write. We can insert the image very easy rather than we find the image in searching manually using, of course, search engine. Okay, this is select recommend image, for example. Okay, you can use the image, and you can also find the image by typing in the search image here, as you can see there. For example, if this is not the best, you can just find YouTube logo, for example, and hit the enter. Okay, now fine. For example, you can use this image. If you find your image not on the right position you want, for example in here, you need to include the YouTube logo in this position. Just right click on the shapes or on the image and select crop image, and voila, you can make this position, okay, like this. And after that you can just uh, make any movement and click in here, and that's all. Okay, you can also change the text here using the extension slides.ai magic write, and you can select another options. Okay, just select paragraph sentences, fetch highlight text. Okay, you can see there. And you can see there, you can have the all option in here and select what the best for you, and you can just copy the text and paste in here like this. It's very easy. Okay, rather than you create manually from scratch to create the AI. And hope this video helpful for you.